Stop wasting money. There's one pressure cooker mistake costing people hundreds, and I'm about to show you exactly what it is. America's test kitchen just crowned a new champion. It's not the one everyone's buying on Amazon. Here's the truth. The $90 model and the $250 model, sometimes the difference is life-changing. Sometimes it's pure marketing. I analyzed expert testing from America's Test Kitchen, Consumer Reports, and Good Housekeeping. Product links in the description. By the end, you'll know which pressure cooker matches your cooking style. But first, understand why most people choose wrong. Number 6, the Fissler Vitaquick. Yes, I'm starting with a $280 stovetop model in 2026. Hear me out. America's Test Kitchen calls this the best stovetop pressure cooker on the market. Why? Electric models use heating elements. Stovetop uses your burner's direct flame. More power, more control. Zero electronics to fail, zero circuit boards to replace years later. The numbers tell the story. Cuts cooking time 70% while preserving twice the vitamin A in vegetables. Your broccoli isn't just faster, it's legitimately healthier. Science-backed. Built from 90% recycled stainless steel with 6mm aluminum core base. Works on all cooktops, including induction. Auto-locking handle system. Dual pressure settings at 10 and 15 psi. And what's 15 psi? That's basically car tire pressure. That's serious cooking power trapped inside, transforming tough cuts into fork-tender perfection. New York Times top pick. Good Housekeeping editor's choice. After 170 years manufacturing, Fissler backs it with a 10-year warranty. People pass these to their children. The catch you must know. Know, set, and forget. When that pressure indicator rises, you adjust heat. You monitor actively. Busy parents juggling 3 tasks while kids demand attention? This could break you. Perfect for serious home chefs who want restaurant-grade results. Also ideal if you distrust electronics or want heirloom-quality cookware. Price, $280 for 8.5 quart model. Quick question, are you team stovetop or team electric? Comment right now. Number 5, Cosori 9-in-1. Where budget meets performance and something unexpected happens. At $80 to $100, this includes features from $200 models. 12 safety mechanisms, including overheat protection. 6 adjustable pressure levels from 5.8 to 10 psi. Ceramic nonstick pot, completely BPA-free. Anti-spin design locks the pot during sautéing so nothing moves. The game changer most reviews miss, that real-time progress bar on the display. No guessing if dinner's at 40% or 90%. You see exactly where you are. The VSync app delivers 1,400 plus recipes with step-by-step guidance timed to your cooking stage. Testing results speak volumes. Perfect hard-boiled eggs in 7 minutes. Chicken curry from raw to table in under 30 minutes. One user cooked sprouted beans in just 6 minutes. Another reported chicken casserole for 4 from prep to table in 1 hour total. The 1,100 watts means faster preheating than cheaper 800 watt models. That safer venting design keeps hands completely clear of steam. The release buttons position your hand away from the valve opening. For nervous first-timers, this addresses the fear problem immediately. The honest limitations, it's bulky. Takes serious counter or cabinet space. Learning curve exists, though the app shortens it dramatically. Pressure release can get noisy during operation. But here's the value equation. You're getting 90% of premium features at 50% of the price. That's rare in kitchen appliances. Perfect for budget-conscious families wanting versatility. Ideal for pressure cooker newbies needing app hand-holding. Great for college apartments or first homes. Now here's something you need to know about the next model. Number 4. Instant Pot Pro Plus Smart Wi-Fi. This is where we cross into smart home territory. Picture this scenario. You're still at the office, phone buzzes. Your Instant Pot finished preheating, asking if you're ready to start cooking. And you tap yes from your desk. Dinner's ready when you walk through the door 45 minutes later. That's the Pro Plus promise. Tom's guide testing confirmed it actually delivers. The upgraded model cooks 20% faster than older Instant Pots, thanks to that 1,200 watt motor. TechRadar verified. Preheating dropped from 10 minutes to just 7 minutes. But here's what really matters. The whisper quiet steam release. Previous Instant Pots peaked at 82 decibels during release. This one, just 74 decibels. That's the difference between vacuum cleaner and normal conversation. NutriBoost technology pulses gently during cooking to enhance texture and flavor. Risotto comes out restaurant quality. Rice achieves that perfect fluffiness that's nearly impossible to nail manually. The tri-ply stainless steel pot with aluminum core isn't just attractive. It's stovetop and oven safe up to 350 degrees. Brown your meat in the Instant Pot, transfer to oven for finishing. One pot, pro-level results. Access 2,000 plus interactive recipes through the Instant Connect app. It guides every step in real time, adjusting settings remotely if needed. Reality check. Wi-Fi setup takes nearly 10 minutes. Some users found it frustrating. At $150 to $200, it's premium pricing. And honestly, if you're not going to use the app features, you're paying for functionality you'll never touch. Best for smart home enthusiasts and anyone who wants to start dinner remotely. Tech-savvy cooks who value that cooking from bed convenience. Hold up. What's the one dish you'd make first? Pulled pork? Pot roast? Comment below. Number 3. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1. This bridges premium features with smart pricing. Think of it as Pro Plus without Wi-Fi. You lose connectivity, gain $50 back. Keep 10 functions with 28 presets. The killer feature? 5 programmable favorite buttons. Make your grandmother's beef stew once. Dial perfect time and pressure. Save to button 3. Next time, one touch. Family recipes become one-button meals. That flat-bottom stainless steel pot with stay-cool handles. Certified for stovetop use to 450 degrees. Need to deglaze with wine after sautéing. Remove pot, hit burner, done. Standard electrics can't do this. LED display shows progress bar. Preheating, pressurizing, cooking, keeping warm. The 1,200 watts means 20% faster preheating than Duo models. Whisper Quiet performs at 72 decibels. Quieter than your dishwasher. Sleeping baby stays asleep. Tom's Guide testing, curry in 10 minutes. Dried chickpeas to fluffy in 45 minutes, 0 monitoring. The trade-off, stainless pot isn't nonstick. Rice sticks. Some users report burn warnings without enough liquid. Pro tip, always deglaze the bottom after sautéing and add proper liquid. Problem solved. That simple step prevents 90% of burn warnings. Available, 6 quart at $129, 8 quart at $149. That 8 quart handles meals for 6 to 8 people. For hands-on cooks wanting customization without smart complexity, this is it. Meal preppers, that 8 quart changes everything. But wait until you see what's at number 2. Silver medal, Instant Pot Duo Plus. Why this matters for 80% watching. America's best-selling pressure cooker. Not because it's fancy, because it nails fundamentals better than anything at this price. Good Housekeeping tested 53 multi-cookers. The Duo Plus made rice that was well-cooked and tender rather than mushy when everything failed. That simple test separates winners from losers. 9 functions. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice, steam, sauté, yogurt, cake, egg, sterilize. Easy seal lid automatically seals when closed. No, did I lock it? Panic at 6 p.m. with hungry kids waiting. Steam release switch has protective cover preventing splashing. Your fingers stay safe with 240-degree steam. 3 sizes, 3 quart for singles, 6 quart for families, 8 quart for meal preppers. Stainless pot goes straight into dishwasher. Entire unit breaks down for cleaning in 60 seconds. TechRadar's 6-hour chili test hit 185 degrees with perfect texture and deep flavor. Pressure-cooked chicken fell off bone in 20 minutes. Available $99 to $149 depending on size. Right now, 6 quart drops to $99 regularly. Honest limitations, fewer presets than Pro's 28. Simpler interface, no sous vide, no Wi-Fi. But for chili, pot roast, rice, beans, yogurt, the Duo Plus destroys those tasks. That's 90% of what people cook daily. First-time buyers, families needing weeknight solutions, anyone valuing simplicity. The Toyota Camry of pressure cookers, not glamorous, brutally dependable. Real talk. How many appliances are you replacing? 1, 3? Comment below. Number 1, Breville Fast Slow Pro. Before you think $250 is crazy, let me show you something. Tech Gear Lab ran exhaustive testing. Their verdict, the most delicious meats of all models tested. That's controlled testing with blind taste panels. The meat came out more moist, more tender, better texture than everything. Pot roast test? 100% score. Perfect. Rice showed superior moisture versus instant pot models. What creates this difference? 3 engineering advantages. First, hands-free automatic steam release. Only model where you never touch the valve. It automatically selects quick, pulse, or natural release based on your food. No guesswork, no burned fingers, ever. Second, dual sensors at top and bottom of 6 quart bowl, constantly monitoring and adjusting temperature and pressure for optimal results. Competition? Single sensors that approximate rather than precisely control. Third, color-changing LCD. Inactive? Steel blue-gray. Cooking? Orange. You know status from across the room. 11 food presets. Vegetables, rice, risotto, soup, stock, beans, poultry, meat, bone-in meat, chili, stew, dessert. Or manual mode dials, custom pressure between 1.5 and 15 psi. Bob Vila named it Best Overall. Consumer Reports top ratings: ceramic non-stick pot, naturally PFOA and PTFE free, dishwasher safe, premium stainless construction, Breville's reputation for appliances lasting decades. The price reality: $249.95 costs double most models. This investment makes sense only if you cook regularly and taste the difference. 6-quart only, no 8-quart option. 1-quart minimum makes small batches tricky. Perfect for food enthusiasts tasting the difference between good and great, anyone who's burned hands on steam releases, cooks wanting most precise control available. Bottom line, pressure cooker used 3+ times weekly. Breville's results justify investment. Casual cooking once monthly, save the money. Now you know the truth about pressure cookers in 2026. From $90 Cosori to $280 Breville, you understand exactly what you're paying for. Product links are in the description. Questions? Drop them below. Subscribe for buying guides that save you money instead of wasting it.